Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have seen how to create a report from the data. You can see on the left hand side, I have this report created from the data which is there on the right hand side. Okay. So suppose in case you feel that your data is very beautiful, it's engaging, and it contains all the information which is required, and you also feel that your reports can be beneficial for others as well. So what you can do is, out of your reports you can create an application, just share it across. But you may also be thinking that how we can create an application in Power BI. We can create an application in Power App, not in Power BI, but that's not the case. You can create an application out of in Power BI from the reports you have built in the later videos. We'll see how to create application in Power BI. But I believe that everyone knows what is an application. So application is basically a platform wherein, suppose you are a sales company, you have your product. So what you will do is you will create a list of your products, divide them into categories. You will mention their prices, colors, specification, description, etc. So you want that any user, okay, wants to see the product list, so they just they go through your data and everything, and they just put the product. So likewise, from the reports you create, you can create an application, and the other person install the application on their Power BI environment. They can see your data, they can change the data as per their need, okay, or else they can go through with your data as well. That's fine. Okay. So for moving ahead and creating application from the existing data, now let's see what is an application, okay, and how basically you can add application into Power BI. To add an application in Power BI, we have to navigate to Power BI Online. So let's navigate to Power BI Online. And those who don't know how to navigate to Power BI, it's pretty much simple. Just open the tab, click on, type office.com, enter your credentials. Okay. So you will end up like this. Like you will have on the left hand side, you will have your Copilot, and on the right hand side, you will have chat. So you don't need to worry about. Click on the apps on the left hand side. Okay. There in the app section will show up and says select Power BI. Then you will be able to access to Power BI. Okay, like this. You click on apps, click on all apps, select Power BI. Okay. Once you clicked on Power BI, the Power BI will open on the right hand side. And on the left hand side, you will see I have this apps in Power BI. Okay. I click on apps in Power BI. I click on this page. Now I will click on get apps. So it will basically open up the app section from where I can add application into Power BI. These are also called template tabs. So why I'm calling template tabs? Because these are applications with a template wherein you can customize the data as per your need. Like I said, that you can create an application based out of your existing reports. So, for example, I remember that were hit by COVID. So let's see if there is any applications. Okay, so I can see there are so many applications are available for COVID. So let's see, buy app COVID-19. This one. Okay. So let's select this one and let's see how it looks like. Okay. So let's wait for this data to load up. I'll just quickly pause the video. All right, so this is how it looked like. Okay, this buy app COVID-19 Colombia. Okay, this has, I don't know the Colombian language, but yes, I can see that it has an option which is get it now. I will click on get it now, and it's basically a free app. So I will just click on get it now. Then this application will be added into my application sections in Power BI, and I can open it. I can look into the data, stats, and everything related to this application. Okay, so I will hit install. So basically, it is installing in the background. So it will take a while. I'll just quickly pause the video again. Okay, so the application is installed in the app section, and you can see that it says template app. So basically, this application is a template of a data, and I can module the data according to my need. We'll see that can module the data or how we can, just temper the data as per our need. But firstly, let's look how the data looks like. Okay, and also says that you are viewing the data. This app would temper data. Okay, and if you want, you can connect your data and just work accordingly. So you have this file option, you have this share option. You can share this template with anyone. Okay, even you can invite other peoples to make changes into this particular template. You also have this option to export. Basically, the this particular application template can be exported to any of the format and can be shared as well. Okay, so there are options, and also it says connect to your data. Once you connect your data, we will be able to connect with your data. So we'll see later on that how we can connect data and work accordingly. Okay. So yes, that's it for today's videos. We have seen you can add a template data into your Power BI. In the next video, we'll see how to create an application, and I'll also try to cover some more aspects related to this reporting and Power BI desktop application. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also go ahead and check out my playlist for SharePoint Online and Exchange Online. Okay, so yeah, so till see you in the next video. Till then, have a learning. Goodbye.